Equation 1. Solve 4g equals 12. We need to find g. In order to do so, we write 4g equals 12. Now we need to divide by 4. I have to divide that side by 4. So 4g divided by 4 equals to 12 divided by 4. As you can see, 4 will cancel 4. And we're left with g equals to 12 over 4. Therefore, g equals 3. So we're going to put 3 there. Next, equation 2. Solve x minus 3 equals 8. So to solve x minus 3 equals 8, we can add 3 to both sides, or we can move minus 3 to the other side. That will become plus 3. So therefore, x equals 8 plus 3. So I've moved minus 3 from the left to the right. That will become plus. If you're moving minuses or plus over the equal sign, the sign will change. Therefore, x equals 11. So this is 11. Question 3. Solve x plus 5 equals 7. So the best thing to do is collect like terms. Take the plus 5 and bring it next to 7. So that means the sign plus 5 will change to minus 5. X plus 5 equals 7. X equals 7 minus 5. Therefore, x equals 2. So that will be 2. Question 4. Solve x plus 7 equals 4. Again, take the plus 7 and move it close to 4 on the other side. That will be minus 7. X plus 7 equals 4. X equals 4 minus 7. X equals minus 3. So that will be minus 3. Question 5. Solve x over 4 equals 7. X is being divided by 4. In order to get rid of the 4, we have to multiply by 4. So x over 4 equals 7. That meant 7 over 1. So if I multiply by 4 times 4, I have to times it by 4 here. The 4 here, we cancel that 4, and I'm left with x equals 7 times 4. X equals 28. So this is 28. Question 6. X over 2 equals 10. If I multiply both sides by 2, x divided by 2 equals 10 times 2, and you have to times that side by 2. 2 cancel 2. We're left with x equals 10 times 2, 20. So that's 20. Question 7. We need to solve 2w minus 1 equals 13. In this case, because I'm taking away 1, I need to add 1 to both sides to get rid of the minus 1 on the left-hand side. There are 3 terms here. 1, 2, 3. So I need to collect like terms by saying 2w equals 13 plus 1. So I have moved minus 1 from there to the right, and that becomes plus 1. Now I need to divide both sides by 2. Therefore, the 2 will cancel each other. Therefore, w equals 14 over 2, which is 7. So w is 7. Question 8. Solve 3y plus 4 equals 22. So all I need to do now, I have 3 terms here. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. So what I need to do is collect like terms. I need to move plus 4 to the right. If I'm crossing the equal sign, the plus 4 will change to minus 4. So I get 3y equals 22 minus 4. Now I need to divide both sides by 3. As you can see, the 3 will cancel each other. Therefore, y will be equal to 18 over 3, and that equals 6. So y is 6. Question 9. The first thing to do is to move plus 3 to the right. That will become minus 3. So then I have c over 2 equals 10 minus 3. C over 2 equals 7. At the same time, I need to multiply both sides by 2. And therefore, the 2's will cancel. And that gave C equals 7 times 2. C equals 14. Question 10. Solve 10y minus 3 equals 24. Again, I need to move minus 3 to the right. That will become plus 3. So then I will have equals 24 plus 3. Again, remember I've got 3 terms here. 1, 2, 3. And therefore, now I need to get rid of 10. So I need to divide both sides by 10. As you can see, the 10 will cancel 10. Therefore, y equals 27 divided by 10. Y equals 2.7. So that is 2.7. Question 11. 8w plus 20 equals 4. I need to move plus 20 to the right. That will become minus 20. So I get 8w equals 4 minus 20. 8w equals minus 16. Now I need to divide both sides by 8. Why do I divide by 8? Because I need to get rid of 8 here. So I have to divide by 8 to get rid of 8. Hence, 8 cancels 8. And then I get w equals minus 2. So this is minus 2. Question 12. We need to solve 12 minus y equals 5. Again, I need to collect like terms. There are 3 terms here. So I need to move minus y because it's minus. I want to make it positive. So I want to move minus y to the right. That's the best thing to move. And I move 5 to the left. So I get 12 minus 5 equals y. 12 minus 5 is 7 equals y. And that implies y equals 7. So this is 7. Question 13. 18 minus 4a equals 2. Again, here I need to move that variable here is minus 4a. A is a variable, so minus 4a. I need to move that to the right and move 2 to the left. So I'm going to get 18 minus 2 equals 4a. 18 minus 2 is 16 equals 4a. Now I need to divide both sides by 4 because I can cancel out the 4 there and 4 there. And then I'm left with 4 equals a. And that implies a equals 4, and that is 4. Because 16 divided by 4 is 4. Question 14. We need to solve 2e minus 8 equals 14. As you can see, it's best to move minus 8 by collecting like terms to the right. So I'm going to get 2e equals 14 plus 8. You could say I added 8 to both sides. Now I need to divide both sides by 2. So that divided by 2, I have to divide that by 2 because that 2 will cancel that 2. Hence, I have e equals 14 plus 8 is 22 over 2. 22 over 2 will become 11. E is 11. Question 15. We need to solve x plus 3 divided by 4 equals 6. Multiply both sides by 4 and cancel out that 4 in the denominator. So let's give it a try. So I get 4 times, open bracket, w plus 3 divided by 4 equals 6 times 4. So now I can see that 4 will cancel that 4. And that will leave me with w plus 3 equals 6 times 4. So w plus 3 equals 24. W will become 24 minus 3, and w equals 21. So that is 21. So as you can see, I need to get rid of the 4. So I'll times it by 4 here, and that's that 4. And I need to times that 2 by 4, and that's that 4. 4 cancel 4. I'm left with w plus 3 equals 24. That's w plus 3 equals 24. I need to move that 3 from the left to the right. That would change the sign of 3 to minus 3. And that's minus 24 minus 3. W becomes 21. Solve 3, open bracket, y plus 4, close bracket, equals 24. In order to solve this, I need to expand the bracket first. So let's do that. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 4 is 12 equals 24. I need to take the 12 and move it to the right because I'm collecting like terms. So I get 3y equals 24 minus 12. Now I need to divide both sides by 3. And that meant that I can cancel that 3. So y is on its own. So therefore, y will be equal to 24 minus 12 is 12 over 3, and that equals 4. Therefore, y is 4. This is meant to be y. 17, we need to solve similar problem. We need to expand, then collect like terms, and then simplify. So that would be 5 times 2y. 5 times 2y is 10y. 10y plus 5 times 7 is 35. And that equals 20. Again, you can see I need to collect like terms. I need to move plus 35 to the right. That will become minus 35. 10y equals 20 minus 35. Therefore, 10y equals minus 15. Now, at this point in time, I need to divide both sides by 10. Hence, the 10 will cancel out. And that will leave me with y equals minus 15 over 10, which equals minus 1.5. So this is 1.5 minus. Question 18, 7w plus 3 equals 5w plus 9. Now I need to collect like terms. So 7w minus 5w equals 9 minus 3. So I've just collected like terms. 7w minus 5w is 2w equals 6. Then I need to divide both sides by 2, and that will become, well, 2 will cancel out, and therefore I'm left with w equals 3. So that's 3. Question 19, I need to do the same, expand the bracket first, and then collect like terms. 7y plus 6 equals 5 times y equals 5y plus 5 times minus 2, that will become minus 10. Right, this is minus 10. I need to collect like terms, so I get 7y minus 5y equals minus 10 minus 6. And that would be 2y equals minus 16. I need to divide both sides by 2, therefore y equals minus 8. So that's minus 8. Question 20. We need to expand the bracket, collect like terms, and solve. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times minus 5 is minus 20 equals 5x plus 4. Collecting like terms, you can see 5x will be moved here and minus 20 will move over there. So therefore, 8x minus 5x equals 4 plus 20. 8x minus 5x is 3x equals 24. We need to divide both sides by 3. As you can see, 3 cancels 3, and therefore x will be equal to 24 divided by 3, that's 8. So x equals 8. Question 21, we need to expand and then collect like terms and solve. So 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is plus 2 equals 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. Now we need to collect like terms. 4x minus 3x equals minus 12 minus 2. 4x minus 3x is 1x, and that's x equals minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14. So x is minus 14. Question 22. We need to expand and collect like terms and solve. 5 times 3c is 15c. 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 7c equals 40 minus 2c. Now I need to collect like terms. I need to take minus 2c to that side. I need to take minus 10 to the other side. So 15c minus 7c plus 2c equals 40 plus 10. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10c equals 50. We need to now divide both sides by 10. So I can make c the subject. 10 cancel 10. Therefore, c equals, well, we know that 0, we cancel 0. So that c equals 5 over 1, which is 5. So c is 5. So question 23. In the grid above, each row adds up to the number to the right. So if we add all these, we get that. Find the value of w, x, y, and z. Wow. So the best thing is to add up the numbers in the boxes and equal to the numbers to the right. So 4W equals 20 because W plus W plus W plus W equals 20 because this question told us what to do. Each row adds up to the number to the right. So now I can find W because I know 4W equals 20. So if 4W equals 20, if I divide both sides by 4, then I'll get 4 cancel out. Therefore, W equals 5. So W is 5. Right, the next thing to do is the 2W plus 2x equals 24. If that's the case, I know what W is. So that will be 10. 2 times W is 10. So I have 10 plus 2x equals 24. Because W is 5, this is 5 times 2, that's 10. Plus 2x equals 24. Now I need to collect like terms, and to take plus 10, move it to the right, it will become minus 10. So I will get 2x equals 24 minus 10. Therefore, I need to divide both sides by 2. So if I put here, divided by 2, divided by 2, 2 cancel 2. Therefore, x equals 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So x equals 7. W plus 2x plus y equals 25. Well, I already know what x and w are. So all I need to do is plug in those values here. W is 5, so that'll be 5 plus x is 7. So 7 times 2, x is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. So I'm going to have 14 there. Plus y equals 25. Again, I need to collect like terms. Y will be equal to 25 minus 19 because 14 is 14 plus 5 is 19. If I move it to the other side, it will be minus 19. And therefore, y will be 25 minus 19, 6. So y is 6. Then the final one to do is the final equation here that says w plus x plus y plus z equals 30. W plus x plus y plus z equals 30. So that's that one here. Now I know what x, w, and y are. So I can plug this in, I can find z. W is 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus z equals 30. So what I need to do is to say, well, z will become 30 minus 5 minus 7 minus 6. And that will become, well, minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12, and minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18. That's minus, so that's 30 minus 18. Or you could say 18 here, or you could say 18 plus z equals 30, and you move 18 to the other side, because 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. You can move 18 to the other side, collecting like terms, so z equals 30 minus 18. So that's z equals 30 minus 18. Therefore, z will be equal to 12.